ladies and gentlemen, you brought your tickets to a ride of a lifetime.
Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Everybody, good morning. And welcome back to the channel. This is J5, aka Booby Miles, aka a lot of other things. But on the channel today, I ain't posted a video in a minute, so I'm gonna try to do something a little different. You know, branch out. You know, see how many views I get, how many comments I like, cause what I get. But don't forget to go subscribe to the channel. YouTubing is a habit, and all the other social media sites. I really only got Instagram. Frog Dog Jetson. Go subscribe, you know, to your boy. Get these views up, get these likes up, and I'm gonna bring you more content. Well, for today, I got a GE refrigerator, French door with the water in the door, and it takes filters, and they just blow you over the head for the price of the filters. I mean, it lasts 6 months. The water sure do taste good, but $55 for a filter. Bam, right there. They got a couple different filters for the GE brand and the other refrigerator brands, but yeah, let's go on and see how this mug work. Hold on. Oh, and by the way, you know, I want to shout out other YouTubers, you know, because that's what I do. I try to get inspiration, and they motivate me. They motivate people who don't even know about it. But yeah, Tall Guy Car Reviews, shout out to you. Mike Rich down there in the A, shout out to you. Carmen and Corey and Carmen, shout out to y'all. I found out through you guys, found out y'all through Tall Guy, Mr. Organic. Oh yeah, Mr. Organic, shout out. But let's get into it real quick. Yeah, well this you see, this is my refrigerator, but I'm gonna go step by step and I ain't never took it out. I'm probably try to take it out, but you know, just a little quick thing. I don't want y'all to see, you know, all the background noise or whatever. And that's the kids' room. They keep it a mess. I'm about to clean that up too, but let's get into it. Yeah, my Kia lights. I like them. I'm gonna get some more. Hook them up some other places, and I'm gonna put an island right there. You know, I'm trying to remodel right now. Now, y'all want to check out this fridge? All right, yeah, I got. I'm gonna put y'all right there. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it or not. No. Hey, hang on, let me move some stuff. Alright, y'all. Yeah, I'm back. You know what I'm saying? I had to clear off the top shelf. But here's the water filter right here. And let's check how this go. Oh, well, shoot, just snap out like that. I don't know if y'all see that, but just snap out like that. As my kids say, easy peasy. But let's get into what that's the door alarm. Set the alarm, because you know, when you got kids, when you got a wife, they leave the doors open. And you know, I mean, it happens. But oh yeah, don't forget the prank season is coming soon. And yeah, well, this is the new one. all sealed up. They got the little security thing on there. I told you this mug was expensive. This mug was like $60, but it sure do make the water taste good, y'all. But let's see if this is real easy. Supposed to be able, yeah, just pull it out like this, and you're supposed to be able to twist it, but it ain't twisting. There's always a hiccup in there somewhere. Oh, shit. Dispense water through cold water dispenser immediately after filter change to purge air from the system. Okay. This device complies with Part 15 of the FCC rules. Well, that didn't tell me how to change it. Maybe I should have. Yeah, well, I ain't gonna watch no video on it because this is a learning process. All y'all who want to change it, learn from my mistakes. And let me read this. Oh, it just pulls out, I guess. It just pulls out. I was trying to twist it because it got a twisty thing on it. Got this little... Okay. Well, I guess it just pulls out. Let me get my... Take this plastic out. Let me get my trusty field knife. Field knife. My Dora knife. My Dora from the Hood knife. And yeah, let me get this off here. We had some theme music, some B-roll footage, not footage, but B-roll music for you. But almost got it. They got this shit on here so damn tight. Oh, well, here it goes. I got it. I got it. Now, this is the new one. Now, all it should do is just go back in there and twist. Okay, there you go. This is back. It got back. It got the word back on it. And it got the word front on it. So, that was pretty easy. Snapped it back in. Oh, this old one is full of water. I guess it would be. I guess the purifying part is in here. Yeah, it got to be. But okay, got the new one in. So okay. So let me put a couple things back. Put the eggs back. I don't eat eggs, but you know, wife and kids do, so can't stand eggs. What about y'all? Put it in the comments down below. Comment if you eat eggs, if you eat egg sandwiches, or what you eat. So let me know. But I don't like them. I never. When I was a kid, I used to eat eggs with to make me eat eggs. Parents used to have to put ketchup on them. Yeah, this me. Ketchup on eggs, but I never really, that really never my thing, eggs. So I'm just putting a couple things back on the top shelf that I took off. And since I'm in here, wipe it down real quick. But comments, kind of refrigerator y'all got, and do y'all use filters, and is there a better filter than the other ones? See, now this is the kind that the refrigerator had recommended. So it's by GE, and as I said, this was about $60. So is there any better filters out there that I should know about, or cheaper, or ways? I seen them online too for $115, but that's $5 off. But then you had to pay shipping, so hell, I don't know. Let me know. Comments down below. Whatever you want to say. But like, subscribe, comment, and let's see if this thing works first. Hold on, gotta put this bread. Hot dog. I'm trying to cut out meats. I've been slowing down, live a better, make you feel better and everything. But it's a process. So I'm just trying to get some of this stuff put back in there right quick. So that door and this door, and it's like that, and it says it's on crushed ice right now. Hang on. It's on crushed ice right now because the morning time she makes iced coffee and she uses the ice. I told her we needed a filter so the ice would taste better and everything, but you know how that goes. Well, most people know how that goes. So let's see what it said was I gotta get a and this is the profile edition where you could pull the little thing out and sit a jug on there. I'm about to sit a jug on there too, because it said that it told me to run the water through first and check it out. So hang on, I'll get right back to that. Okay, we back in business. Let it focus camera, focus. Alright, got me a cup under there, and I'm about to do about to run the water through it. Autofill, sensing. Error message. Oh, I gotta push it. That's why they said push it. You know what I'm saying? To get all the air out. The filter, I guess. I guess it's going through the filter. I don't know. This first time I'm doing it along with y'all. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen. Hoping my refrigerator don't blow up. But yeah. I don't know how long we're supposed to hold this month. But yeah, it's supposed to. I don't know. Let's see. Okay. Now let's read the directions. Please refer to owner's manual for proper maintenance and operation. Hell, I don't know what's fucking wrong with that shit then. It should have just worked. But that's why it's a process, and y'all along with me.